Good evening, my name is Lisette Guerrero and today is May 24th, 2018. Today we are working on the lab project for microscopy for microbiology, the use and the function. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over the parts of the microscope that I got from Hands-On Labs, which is where APU gets their equipment for our class. So, based on the lab, there are some parts of the microscope that we are to point out. The microscope on the lab is a little bit different than the microscope that I received from Hands-On Labs. But many of these things are still similar, and if they're a little bit different, they're just in different locations, but the function is the same. Okay, so first of all, this top part right here. So this top part right here is removable. This is the ocular lens. This is what we use to look through to be able to visualize whatever object we have on the slide. Next we have the front right here, which is the body tube. This part is doesn't have a lot of like its own function. It holds the ocular lens, connects it to the turret and to the rest of the microscope. This is the arm. It does, however, on this microscope we have the this thing right here that we can help move up and down, which happens to move the body tube up and down, so it is helpful. The turret, as I mentioned, is this part right here. This helps hold the lenses in place, and also the shape of it is like a circle, which helps us move from one lens to the next. We also have the objective lenses, which are these right here. And we have, this is the 4x, or 4 times the magnification. Then this one right here is a 10 times magnification. And that last one right there is a 40 times magnification. So, as you can imagine, the 40 times magnification will be more magnified than the others. Then we have the stage, which is this part here. It's like a platform. That is where we are gonna place our slide. And then we have the diaphragm on the bottom, right here. So the diaphragm does open and close. You can see the things there. So that helps control how much light is going to be going through, and the light is going to be coming from this. This is the illuminator. So it has a light, and when you place it here and you look through the top of the lens, then you're able to visualize the slide better. Then we have the knob that I mentioned earlier. Is this one is the coarse focus knob. So this is when we want to do a larger amount of focus, so it does move a significant amount up and down. Then we have the fine focus knob, which is right here. This one helps focus when we're magnifying at a higher power, but it only changes the focus in small increments. It makes the things look sharper, or also less sharp, like fuzzier. Then we have the stage focus knobs, which are this one right here, and you can see that it moves. This one moves side to side, so it's just gonna move the slide, and then the other one moves front and back, which also moves the slide. And then we have the base, which is this part right here, and the base just helps with support. And then the arm wasn't mentioned in the lab report. However, it is very important, especially when you're going to move the microscope from place to place. The arm and the base are very important for support. Thank you so much. Have a great day.